Okay, so my plan for today's look is to take my day makeup that I'm wearing now into a more evening look, something that I can wear out tonight. And I'm thinking, because I've got these peachy tones in my top, dropped my hair clip, I thought I would go for a more peachy look. So I do have some makeup on, so what I'm going to do is actually change the colour of my eyeshadow and then reapply some base. The eye palette I'm using is from Pony Cosmetics and it's called Eye Palette Blue. So I'm starting in with the lightest shade here, and this is just a very light tan that I'm placing into the outer corner of my eye. Just going over the shadow that I already have there and just really creating a different colour. Now this is a very orange sort of rusty tone that I'm putting right into the outer corner and just creating a little bit more definition and drama to the outer corner of the eye and really getting that peachy tone sort of match in with my outfit. This is a light champagne shimmer, so I'm popping that on the inner corner of my eye and over the eyeball and just pressing that on with a flat brush. Now I'm going to use the fluffy brush again, blending brush, and just blend out those edges just to make them nice and seamless so there's no definition between the two colours. This is the chocolate eyeliner by Youngblood. It's called Chestnut. It's just a really nice creamy eyeliner. I'm just using it to create a soft baby wing there, and I'm popping it on the upper eyeline as well, running it a little bit under those lashes there too. Now the foundation I'm using is from MCO Beauty and it's called the Hydra Glow, and I'm just placing it over the foundation that I had on from this morning, and I'm just avoiding my cheeks and anywhere that I want to contour. So getting a different brush here and just placing it up under the eyes there. It's a little bit more detailed. This shade from the MCO Beauty is called Natural Tan, and it's just such a perfect shade for me. I do like this foundation and I have been wearing it quite a bit actually. So now that I've done that, I'm going in with the contour wand and I'm just really framing my face. So I'm doing like a big number 3. And then I'm pressing that in with the same foundation brush that I'm using, and this is from Fernando Hervaz's collection. I'm pressing that in so it just has a really seamless look and just gives me a bit more definition and drama for tonight's makeup. Now this is a cream blush from Mecca Cosmetica, and it is the Watermelon. It's quite peachy, but once you sort of place it on and then use the same foundation brush to sort of blend it in, it looks really nice. Just combing through my brows there, and I'm putting just a wash of mineral mascara just over the top of the mascara that I already have. Just gives them a bit more definition. This is the duo. There's 2 ends to this, a matte and a shimmer. I'm just using the matte and I'm running that along with the waterline. This is the Pony Cosmetics Chocolate Bronzing Powder, and I'm just using that to set the cream contour. A little bit of blush. This is Nectar. It's a pressed mineral blush, and I'm placing that over the cream blush. Once again, setting that product as well. So all the creamy products I have set with a powder product. I love popping a little bit of that blush up into the brow line there. It just really creates a very seamless look. This is the Rice Mineral setting powder. It's impressed, and I'm just placing that just where I need it, taking a more detailed brush and placing that setting powder underneath the eye as well. So now there you have it. I've just popped my earrings on, some jewellery. This is my Pandora bracelet and a couple of heirloom rings. This shows you a little bit of my outfit. I'm going to try and get a better angle for you. This is the final look, and I've put some wedges on, and I'm going to put a jacket on. It is a little bit chilly. This jacket sort of picks up that green, and that's the final look for our date night. So we're heading out tonight. I'm going to head to a little restaurant for dinner with my husband.